Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add mobile frame to your video using CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select new project right here, and then we can add the video we want to put on the mobile frame. I'm just going to use video from the CapCut library. So I'm going to select the library, and then I'm going to select, for example, from scenery. Okay, I'm going to add portrait video to my project. Okay, this one guys. And then I'm going to click on add. But wait, it's still loading. Okay. And then we're going to add our mobile frame to this video. We can select overlay and then click on add overlay, and make sure you have prepared mobile frame for your video. I have downloaded mobile frame from the internet guys. I have downloaded this mobile frame, so I'm going to add this mobile frame to my video. Or actually, you can go to the CapCut library and search for the mobile frame. And wait, I'm going to change the canvas, the aspect ratio. I'm going to change it to 16:9. Okay. And I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. Alright. And then I'm going to extend it according to the video duration. Oops. Okay. And I'm going to remove the green screen from this mobile frame. If we want to remove the green screen, we can go to the CapCut menu, remove background menu, and select chroma key and choose the mobile frame. And then adjust the intensity and the shadow as well. And then I'm going to adjust the position of my video. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's done guys. And as you can see that my video has been added to the mobile frame. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a mobile frame to our video using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.